This is the story of you learning how to make your own natural DIY gifts for gift giving.
You mean I can learn how to make DIY presents that people actually like?
Yup, without the toxic ingredients, confusing stuffs, or overpriced natural ingredients. That's why I invented the DIY Simply Earth Gift Giving Recipe Box.
Extra good vibes for beginners like me.
And DIY experts alike, it gives you the key ingredients you need to make your own lip balm and more.
I made this, you can too.
Warning, with a new theme each month, you'll be mastering natural DIYs in a new way.
So easy, even I can make it.
You'll unlock the power of nature using essential oils and other natural ingredients.
Sounds like natural DIY therapy in a box.
Join a community of over 10,000 natural makers and save money because we cut out the middleman. Making your own natural products doesn't have to be hard. Simply Earth makes it as easy as 1, 2, 3. Pure ingredients delivered straight to your door. Follow simple tutorials and guides. Experience the joy of creating your own natural gift-giving recipes.
Easier than peeling a banana.
Click below to join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews to make your own DIY recipes in 10 minutes or less.
Don't get stuck in bad vibes. This box will fly off the shelves faster than a shooting star.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
You heard that right. Our essential oils are 100% certified pure, backed up by GCMS tests, and come from amazing farms like these.
Cool beans.
You get free shipping, free big bonus box, hero course, exclusive discounts, recipe box rewards, like-minded community, and VIP access to new products.
I made this. Crafts, gifting, you need this.
Grab your box today so you can learn how to craft your own gift-giving products.
Are you thinking you won't like what's in the box? Don't worry, we have a 60-day Earth-tastic guarantee. I hope that you get the same joy I did from turning natural ingredients into fun presents like this. Let's take a peek at this month's box. You get Simply Earth's Rose Red Mica Powder to whip up some stunning recipes. Relax with our soothing bath salts blend. And don't forget the adorable cosmetic tins to showcase your amazing creations. You'll learn how to use the Liquid Luck Blend to boost your mood and spread joy. And Coffee Blend to energize your festivities. Mandarin Essential Oil for radiant holiday skin. And Balsam Fir to create a cozy wellness atmosphere.
Achieve your DIY goals today. Subscribe to the Simply Earth Recipe Box.
Snorkeling? Cool beans.